Good morning to everybody. My name is Oscar Ramirez. I'm a student 10th semester of environmental engineering. And this time, we had to share with you the final oral presentation about my work. Welcome. My professional work in environmental engineering is an opportunity I want to share a little part of my work. Part of my work consists in visit some ships that come to Turboport to change banana fruit. I must check the crew in the ship, don't have anything stranger sick. I hope that enjoy my job. Run to the ships. And this time we go in one boat to the Uraba Gulf because in last part we see ships that we go to visit. The vessel. This is the vessel that coming to check banana fruit to port. Remember that I want to share that the turbo port is very unique in the world. There's only two of kind because it have no dock. So, and we have to get to the boat 5 miles ago to the city of Turbo, because in Turbo no have dock. This is the stairway. Is the clean the emergency leader, because sometimes the mine is damaged. So it is very dangerous stairway. Remember, this is the stairway on emergency. Silent the Uraba Gulf. This photograph show the vessel sailing across the Uraba port. This time we are checking the ballast. It's in my words. I have to check the ballast to see that don't have any danger, no chemic, no have don't have a dangerous content that can damage in the Gulf. And we visit small ships too. These ships coming from Colon, Panama. She going to Turbo Port 1 or 2 times in the week. The breakfast. This is the part where I'm liking my work. Because sometimes the captain invite us to a delicious and healthy breakfast. So it's not all time, but in occasion we enjoy this part of members. Thank you very much. I hope that you enjoy my one part of my work. Thank you very much. Good night. Good luck.